60 ng kilo day.
Sa kilo pa ya. Yeah, what I like on this is the shell is sweet. ₱60. 100 na lang kuya. 100.
100 na lang.
And then this is the shrimp which is 400 per kilo. Pilang kilo? Kuya, pilang?
100 man day.
400?
50 na lang mo day.
Sige ra. It's 400 per kilo. Salamat. We got also vegetable here. But what I'm gonna buy is dried fish. Small. Pilang kilo ani day? Oh, ginoo ko. Yeah, the kilo for this is 1,000 pesos per kilo because this is the danggit. But what I'm gonna get is just this one. Pila eh? 20. Yeah, instead of the 1,000, I'll just get this 20 pesos. Thank you. Yes, but that one is very good. And even in some hotels, that's what they serve for breakfast. So I got here now. Thank you. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy. I'm waiting for Darren. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to buy banana cue, which is somewhere here. Tagpila? Tulo ka buo? Asa ito hinit mo man? Kani lang ya, tulo niya, duha ning kuan.